My name is Alex Ely. I'm a University of Waterloo science alumnus currently doing my PhD in biomedical sciences at Rutgers University. In 2016, I founded the nonprofit STEM Biomedical. The mission of STEM Biomedical is to advance biomedical research for the betterment of human health through science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. The topic of my Waterloo SciTalk is molecular simulations and their application in biological systems. This is something we're very much interested in at STEM Biomedical. I'd like to start off with a question. Why do we care about molecules? So let's take a step back and put things into perspective. The human genome is made up of over 20,000 genes. Each of these genes encode their own unique molecular protein products. These genetically encoded protein molecules interact with each other and with other biological molecules, including lipids and carbohydrates. Generally speaking, the sum of these complex interactions serve as the functional and structural framework of cells and cellular processes. Cells, in turn, are what make up tissues and organs. And finally, tissues and organs make up our bodies. Of course, this is all an oversimplification, but it puts things into context. At the level of molecular interactions, which function based on the laws of physics, is where there is an immense amount of action and dynamics. This is very important, because in order for everything to function properly in the body, the complex networks of molecular interactions have to occur within specific boundaries of homeostatic equilibrium. For example, if one interaction is missing because a gene encoding a protein is lost, then this could throw off a whole network of interactions and cause severe downstream problems at the cellular and organ levels. If a gene is mutated, resulting in a mutated protein with a different structure, this may intensify or dampen a specific interaction, and again throw off a network of interactions, causing a deviation from the required homeostatic equilibrium. So it benefits us to understand and characterize these complex molecular interactions, and this is the goal of one of our projects at STEM Biomedical. More specifically, if we can accurately simulate these interactions at an atomic resolution, this greatly accelerates the potential for the discovery and development of novel therapeutics. This is possible because various techniques have allowed for the mapping of the three-dimensional coordinates of the individual atoms within protein molecules. There has already been a large amount of work done by others for predicting protein structure based on 3D coordinate data, as well as simulating the interactions between two protein molecules on a small scale. And the accuracy of these simulations is increasing. But in order to really gain a clear understanding, we need to be able to simulate these molecular interactions on a large scale. And the reason for this is because biological systems are very complex. They aren't made up of one or two molecules. They're made up of networks of interactions between a very large number of diverse biological molecules. So our goal is to generate a simulation platform to simulate the large-scale networks of molecular interactions of biological systems at an atomic resolution, based on algorithms reflecting the physical laws by which these interactions occur. Of course, all of this is easier said than done. And one of the major obstacles is the sheer amount of computing power that simulations like this would require in order to run. But we're optimistic and will continue working towards our goal. After all, we've seen how incredibly technology can advance, with DNA sequencing as an example. To produce the first draft of the Human Genome Project embarked on a mission that took 13 years to complete. Today, an entire genome can be sequenced in 2 days. Computing is another example. Early computing systems took up entire rooms, but today we can hold a smartphone in the palm of our hands. A lot of time and effort is required for a project like this. And in order to accomplish something like this, there needs to be interdisciplinary collaboration between all 4 fields of STEM: science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. So we're really looking forward to what we can accomplish in the future. I'd like to thank the University of Waterloo for giving me this opportunity, and I hope you enjoyed my SciTalk.